Hi, I'm Hunter H. Harris, local pilot at the Easton Airport, also licensed aviation mechanic, and I'm going to offer you the opportunity to join me on a class where I'll introduce you to what we call a radial engine. And a radial engine's a design that was used quite a bit back in the 20s, 30s, and 40s and has since sort of disappeared from aircraft today for many different reasons. But there's simply nothing that sounds better than a radial engine. Ask anyone who's heard it. But my class will be an introduction for someone who's a motorhead, who wants to know how in the world do these things work, because they're round, there's an odd number of cylinders, they're air-cooled, of course they're swinging a big prop, and they do a great job of creating a carbon footprint at great expense. So I'm going to show you components of a radial engine on a table laid out, the very unusual crankshaft design, the different components, the cylinders themselves, the camshaft, think about that. What the world does that look like? All the stuff that goes together and creates an engine like this. And then if we're lucky and if the weather's good, I'll be doing the first start of the season for 2024 of this engine after we complete the winter inspection on the whole airplane. So please come join me for Radial Engine 101.